Vitamin E is everywhere in skincare, from serums to oils to DIY remedies. But is it actually good for your skin, or just overhyped? And more importantly, are you using it the right way? Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant, which means it helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. In skincare, it's most commonly found in the form of tocopherol or tocopherol acetate. Its main role is to support the skin barrier, reduce oxidative stress, and help maintain overall skin health. Because it's oil-soluble, it works especially well in moisturizing and nourishing formulations. Unlike stronger actives like retinol, vitamin E is generally gentle and suitable for most skin types. Synthetic sources. Natural sources include almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, avocados, vegetable oils like sunflower and olive oil. In skincare, vitamin E is either extracted from these natural sources or created synthetically for stability and consistency. Both forms can be effective, but formulation matters more than the source. Benefits of vitamin E for skin. Vitamin E offers several important benefits for the skin. First, it acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping protect the skin from environmental damage like pollution and UV exposure. Second, it supports the skin barrier by locking in moisture and reducing water loss. Third, it has soothing properties, which can help calm irritated or inflamed skin. Fourth, it can improve overall skin texture, making the skin feel softer and smoother. And finally, when combined with other ingredients like vitamin C, it enhances their effectiveness. Commercial uses in skincare. In commercial skincare, vitamin E is widely used in moisturizers, serums, face oils, sunscreens, lip balms. It's often included not just for skin benefits, but also to stabilize formulations and prevent oxidation of other ingredients. You'll frequently see it paired with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, ceramides. This combination helps create balanced, skin-friendly products. Vitamin E is especially common in products designed for dry skin, sensitive skin, barrier repair. DIY use is important but balanced. Vitamin E is also very popular in DIY skincare. Common uses include applying vitamin E oil directly to dry areas, mixing it with aloe vera for soothing, adding it to homemade face masks, using it on lips for hydration. However, this is where caution is needed. Pure vitamin E oil is thick and can be heavy on the skin, especially for oily or acne-prone skin. So while DIY use can be helpful for dry skin, it's not suitable for everyone. WHO should be careful. Vitamin E is not ideal for every skin type. If you have oily skin, acne-prone skin, easily clogged pores, using pure vitamin E oil may lead to breakouts. In such cases, it's better to use products where vitamin E is part of a balanced formulation rather than using it directly. Common mistakes to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes is using pure vitamin E oil excessively. More is not better, especially with thick oils. Another mistake is assuming it can fade scars or dark spots quickly. While it supports healing, it is not a strong treatment for pigmentation. Also, relying only on DIY remedies instead of well-formulated products can limit results. And finally, using it without considering your skin type can lead to clogged pores or irritation. Expectations. Very important section. Vitamin E is not a miracle ingredient. It works gradually by supporting your skin's natural functions. You won't see overnight transformation. Instead, think of it as a supportive ingredient that improves overall skin health over time. Extra insight. Build authority. One important thing to understand is that vitamin E works best when combined with other ingredients. For example, vitamin C plus vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant combination. This is why many advanced skincare products use them together rather than alone. After all the detailed description and its uses in skincare and beauty, here at the end I would like to say that overall, vitamin E is a supportive and protective skincare ingredient rather than a quick fix solution. It helps maintain skin health by strengthening the barrier, improving hydration, and protecting against environmental damage. However, like any ingredient, it works best when used correctly and in the right formulation. Instead of relying on trends or DIY hacks, focus on understanding your skin type and choosing products that are balanced and well formulated. Also remember, skincare results come from consistency over time, not from using one ingredient alone. When used properly, vitamin E can be a valuable part of a simple and effective skincare routine. Vitamin E is a gentle, supportive ingredient that helps protect, hydrate, and maintain healthy skin. It's especially beneficial for dry and sensitive skin, but may not be suitable for oily or acne-prone skin when used in pure form. The key is to use it in the right formulation and in a way that suits your skin type.